It is incredibly windy. You can hear it from in here. Just a second ago, that moved. Well, time to go outside to get a good thing of it on camera. It is so windy. Another one's blowing that way. Bruh! And that thing's the door's flapping around in the wind. Weather forecast said the wind was about like 60 to 80 miles an hour today. Look at how much dust is getting kicked up over there. Like, it looks like it's all foggy over there, but that's just stuff getting kicked up by the wind. Well, I think that's about enough footage of it being very windy, and I'm gonna go back inside because this wind sure makes it cold. I just wanted to get a video of how very windy it is. Oh! How? That was under bricks. Bricks were holding this thing down. Like, I'm not gonna bother setting the whole thing back up, but yeah. Blew that entire thing away. Wonder where the brick went. Because you can even see that little indentation of where a brick was laying. The wind can't be that strong, can it? I kind of want to get some footage of how windy it is out front as well. Stuff's flapping around in the wind all over. Though there's not as much stuff to be flapped around out here except for like trees and flags. So I want to make sure that little dust cloud if that got caught on camera. So it's not quite as insane. Oh! There was a fence right there yesterday. And I don't think they were demolishing that on purpose. Look at that. That fence fell down. Yeah. That was my grandpa, by the way, talking behind me in case you didn't know. Crazy windy out here. Yeah, wow. Rest in peace, that fence. Well, I'm gonna take one more look out back.
Ours is up still.
Yeah, though I did see the, what's it called? The gate was like flapping around.
Oh, jeez.
Some neat footage of a very windy day. This might be common in some places, but it's usually not this windy here in Colorado Springs. But it's just really windy today. There have been times in the past when it's been really windy. And I'll just fix that later. As long as the tarp doesn't blow away, we're fine. So yeah. just wanted to make this video because the wind was super loud. I was just watching TV upstairs, and I could hear the wind really loudly through the window. And I looked out the window and I saw all the trees moving, and I was like, that would be a good video since I don't really have any video ideas for today. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. See y'all in another video, and I hope nothing else breaks. I knew I heard something. And the internet also went out just a minute ago. This wind is crazy.
Come on out here, bud.
Yep. Luckily, it doesn't seem like the wind broke it, like it fell on anything.
Yeah, but I don't want it to hit. You pick up the, help pick this up.
Yep.
On the other side. Right? Yeah. Try to grab down on this branch and give you a good handle. We got to try to lift. Yeah. You got to keep coming down. Now, got it this way. And it's down.
Oh man, there's gonna be some thing up on the roof tomorrow.
I just didn't want to hit that damn.
Dish. Yeah. Whew.
Holy shit! At least that one's not tall enough to hit the house.
Yeah.
And it just kind of bunged up the
Roofing left a mess.
gutter. Holy moly! I heard it crack, then I heard it hit the house.
Yeah, I heard it from upstairs. Wow. Crazy. Anything out front?
No,
Yeah, everything looks fine out here.
those big trees don't say.
Yep. It'd be really bad if that one fell over. Because that one I don't think we could pick up so easily.
Oh, we wouldn't move it. That's oak. That one was a lot wider.
Yeah.
Man.
Well, at least we finally got around to cutting it down in some way.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, we'll be up on the roof checking that out tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh. For a second I saw our fence over on that side bending by the wind.
What, this one over here?
Right over there.
It should be okay, though, with those steel posts.
Yeah, I will stay up. I just saw it bending a little bit. Dang. That's some wind. This didn't hit the side. Hopefully it was just a stick or something that time. I was going to start recording anyways, because I was going to be like, oh, the wind just knocked out my internet. Because I was playing Halo Infinite, and then suddenly my Xbox and TV turned off. I don't know why the TV turned off. I guess it was, well, it was my mom's TV. Maybe it's a smart TV or something. But my Xbox turned off because apparently you can't run Halo Infinite campaign without the internet on. Which is kind of whack. But whatever. Then, as I was picking up my camera, I heard thunk. So I came running down here. Dang. Almost a shame I didn't get to see it actually falling, but at least we got it up there, and while I'm putting this on the computer, I'll see how the footage of us pulling it off the roof looked. I didn't have time to get a good angle, I just had to set it down on the table. Whew. Well, yeah. Real fast. Hello, good cat. I'm just gonna see if the internet's back on. Oh, yep. Says the internet's back on. Well, all the power got knocked out. Even on the Wii, there's usually a red light when it's off, and it's just dark. Dang, this wind is getting really annoying. I'm just trying to play Halo right now, man. And now the power's going out. Cringe. Alright. So there's a thunk out here, and I looked out the window, and looks like our fence got a hole in it now. The fence came right forwards, back into our yard. Broken down. Well, at least it's mostly in one piece, so all we have to do is try and nail that back up. Maybe we'll put another metal post up. Oh, and that got flipped upside down. Dang. This wind sure is causing a lot of havoc. One of the trees over there got bent. We got some generators and stuff because the power was out for so long. Then we got to plug it into the fridge. And once we got it ready, the power came back.
Yeah.
And this tree was just a bit away from getting broken down too. Luckily the wind has seemed to stop.
It stopped and it's leaning. We're pulling that thing back this direction.
Yeah.
How's this one doing? It's solid.
So yeah. That will be some trouble if it gets windy again. What a crazy windy day.
Yeah. It's not as bad as the other one, but the thing is, it's got more live stuff in it, so.
Yeah. Oh look, Bad Beans is here. Hi Benji. And I think that's all that's left to film, unless we go somewhere and we decide to take a video of any more stuff that we see broken along the way.
Oh, hey, you guys want